Hello and welcome back from the Matrix. I'm Metroid Man.
Oh, my guy.
We are the Super Metroid Bros back for another episode of, the first episode of Link to the Past.
I'm playing because
He's playing because he is.
okay,
I've played so
our
much Metroid
characters.
Prime. I've been playing so much Metroid Prime.
Sneef.
Queef.
Yes.
Redo the name.
No,
Redo the name.
it's Sneef. Sorry.
Dang it! You
Too
should have
bad.
made it Queef.
It's Sneef. Sorry. Hey,
That sucks.
it's you.
Hey,
It's you.
what?
Go right now. This is your.
That's your line.
Okay, help me. Please help me.
No, you suck at this. Help me, please help me.
No, shut up. This is how you say it.
I am a prisoner.
Yes. Yes. Okay, go.
I am a prisoner in the dungeon.
You're a better girl talker than
No, you do it. You're actually.
do it
a-
how. Fucking.
I'm a prisoner in the dungeon of the castle. My name is Zelda. The wizard, Aghanim,
It's that word is.
has
like-
done something to the other missing girls. Now only I remain. Aghanim has seized control of the castle and is now trying to open the Seven Wise Men's seal. I am in the dungeon of the castle. Please help me.
Fuck no.
That was pretty good. Sneef, I'm going out for a while. I'll be back by morning. Don't leave the house.
What the fuck are you talking about? Okay, I'm going back to sleep.
Why does that guy have pink hair? Why do you have pink hair?
I thought you were gonna commentate.
Gay?
Gay. I thought you were gonna commentate.
Yeah, well,
We played Russian roulette before this and we all win, but we all lost. We all lost because I forgot that I wasn't supposed to load all 6 chambers, and now we are now dead.
Hey, look.
Turns out you go to hell when you play Russian roulette.
Yeah, this is
It's happy time.
It's happy time. Fuck. Yes, it's happy time. It's my time.
Okay, I watched this funny prank. This guy had a shake weight, and he was like bent over, like at a corner, and these cops were walking by. And he's like, and like right as the cops were like about to right as they were about to approaching, he was like, and he's like stood up, and he's like showing the shake weight, and he's like, hi, and the cops were like, thought it was happy time.
Hey, you're not allowed to go in the castle, son. Go.
No, shut up. That was me.
That's not you. That is me.
No,
That's
I am the
talks.
guard. I'm the guard, guys. Or I will shoot you. I am still.
Okay, go.
help me.
3
I'm
change.
in the dungeon of the castle. I know there is a hidden path from outside of the castle to the garden inside.
You can commentate if you want, but we're not gonna add you to the channel unless you really, 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 really want to.
And then we won.
Well,
Okay,
You probably still won't.
Hey, okay, let's just sneak past him. This is my time.
Your name can be Zelda.
Not your time.
No, you're Sam's.
Okay, this looks way worse.
You're like,
Because Metroid Man is Sam's brother in the storyline of this channel.
Fuck.
So technically you would be Sam's. Yes, we brought the Samus. Sneef, I didn't want you involved in this. I told you not to leave the house.
Go fuck yourself.
Take my sword and shield and listen. You can focus the power in the blade by holding the B button, then release it using the secret technique handed down by our people.
You know, the button.
Sneef, you can do it. Save the princess. Zelda is your. She is your.
okay, so wait.
Zelda's
The
my
guy
what?
That's
Zelda's my what?
That's my what?
No, that's you. You're supposed to. Zelda's my
What
what?
is she?
So wait.
What's up?
is-
What's up?
Is the guy with the blue hair Sneef's dad?
Uncle.
That's why I said uncle.
Oh.
I told you not to fuck your sister.
Shut up, Zelda.
Oh wait, Zelda, no. Okay. Okay, every time someone says my name, it's in all capital letters, so you can just be like in character.
Sneef!
And then you're like, and
should have made it Sheesh. You should have made your name Sheesh.
No, okay, so like, there's like, yes, and Steve! I should have put it next to me.
Olivia, you should show this to Mr. Dustin. Because Link to the Past is like his favorite game. And if you're in this series,
then he'll like you.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that why
That's
you got
pretty much.
A's? Because I'm pretty sure you would have failed.
No, he doesn't grade anything. At all. Like, I'm not kidding.
Yeah, I know. He can like turn in stuff and then he'll be like, oh no, never mind. I wasn't gonna grade it.
Yeah.
He
But
said-
we're not saying that's a bad thing, because you might be watching this.
I know, it's good.
It's a good thing. We like that.
Okay, this
It's a good thing.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
So
I'm going the
here.
wrong way. I need to go the right way. This is not the right way. Shut up. It's not the right way.
Okay then.
I need to go open some curtains to make the thing better. Okay? You happy? Watch this.
Russian roulette!
Bye.
Sneak. Yeah. Pause walls.
Yeah, okay, fucking do
Pause
this,
nights.
This, and then fucking...
Pause nights by going upstairs. Pause nights
There
by
we go,
going downstairs. Pause nights by going upstairs. Pause nights by going downstairs.
What does
That's
this
the
look
best strategy in the game. Gonna go downstairs. Pause nights.
Okay. Look what I'm doing. What am I doing?
Happy time.
Yeah, okay.
No,
Wall?
yeah, but what part of the wall that looks like what? Yes, it does, because look.
It actually looks more like boobs.
Okay, so
It looks more like boobs.
this is like the belly or the back, and then this is the legs, and then the butt.
No. See, these lines are like the bra, and then that's like.
Okay, we're done
cleavage.
talking about this. Hello!
Yeah,
Fuck.
you tried to talking like
What do you mean? She already knows.
Wait, how did I jump sideways? Did you see that? I was like... Okay, now I'm going the right way.
Mom, you mean Mother Brain? Yeah, well, Mother Brain knows everything.
Walking through
Can I
the
go watch
forest
it?
with my...
No, there's still more voice acting to do for the rest of the game.
Fuck, I
And
can't...
when will you guys be going to bed?
3 a.m.
Actually, after 3 a.m.
Oh yeah, that's right. You have to switch gears again.
Yeah, we have to switch
Like,
back. We'll stop at 3 a.m.
We'll stop this at 3 a.m.
Yeah, and then we'll play different games.
No. We're gonna. No, in between this, we're gonna play Alien Isolation.
Yeah, map.
Don't leave right now. We're gonna play Alien Isolation at like 12. What time is it?
It's fucking...
it's like 10.
No, you can't leave yet.
Fuck.
10:48.
Wait, I'm good.
You can't leave yet. We need you. There's like
Yeah,
Zelda's
let's-
like right now.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
I'm saving Zelda. Like, in like...
Come on. We need you, Samus.
Fucking die. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Fucking they die in like seconds. Watch this. Boom! Fuck.
I'm doing cartwheels. Word.
That was a great.
I wasn't paying attention. Okay, I'm gonna bring this with... and it's gonna fall off. Okay, so... yeah. This guy... This way.
We also need you for a Pokemon Let's Plays, so you can voice act girls.
That will be probably a lot.
But you don't need to voice act like when we're actually playing them. Mostly for playing. We only need you mostly for playing.
Just fucking... I forgot.
Oh, you're also gonna have to down.
Okay.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm talking about this right now. Well, you just probably wouldn't watch that one most. Touch tips. Keep touch tips.
This is how you do it. Oh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. See?
Nope, he's not dead. Okay, now he's dead. Just keep doing this until he dies.
You got the boomerang. Why you
Keep
get
doing this until one of you reaches the point that you will die.
I need to give my boomerang a try. Go, boomerang. Fuck you. Is this too much?
For her, yes.
Is my throwing a boomerang and him talking about whatever the fuck he's talking about?
You mean fuck?
Touching tips? Oh, he's dead. Okay, this is how you kill him. You grab this pot and you're like, hey, fucking.
Oh, look, it's Zelda. It's Spike Ball guy. I thought that was supposed to kill him.
No, kill him twice. There we go.
It's the boss key.
Okay.
I mean the big key.
I have a choice. Here, we gotta read that.
This is the master key of the dungeon. Hit the rupees. There you go. No.
No, she talked to me.
Shut up. Keep going.
Yeah, I
talk.
I fear the worst for my father. The wizard is an
The wizard isn't in here. Keep going.
What does that say?
Fiend.
Fiend, okay. With strong magical powers. Do you
Not at all.
Go again. Do it.
Steve, listen carefully.
You gotta yell, Steve. Well, you did, I guess. Oh, fuck. Okay. I don't understand. No. Okay, go.
Go.
All right, let's get out of here before the wizard notices. I know a secret path, but first, we have to go to the first floor.
Boom, boom,
What? She's fucking magic.
We're
back to back. Oh yeah, I figured out how to do this. Watch. Okay, ready? There we go.
Her face is like she just ate like a warhead or something.
I'm walking. Okay, I gotta sing my walking song. Oh, sorry, Zelda, you have to walk behind that.
You guys are children.
That was both juicy and messy. Oh, okay. I found this song. I was shown this song by my friend, and literally, it was just this guy with his guitar, and he was singing about how he had to fart, and then he shit himself on accident.
What happens if you go off the edge?
Then you die. Okay, fucking. Ah, damn it. Shit.
You mean shit myself? Yeah, okay, I'll do that.
No one's going to watch
Oh,
your
sorry,
videos.
Zelda, you have to walk by.
Yeah. You have to fucking smell that.
Aren't you supposed to be holding these in?
Okay,
For
go.
when you like leave her off at the
There's a
airport
secret
and like
passage
you get in the
in
car
the throne
and you're
room that leads to a sanctuary. I'm sure the old man there will help.
like, yeah, stop being monotone. You're not Samus.
bored.
You're not Samus from Metroid Other M.
But you're supposed
Just talk like you normally talk. Like imagine like you're reading Scorch Trials. I mean, how do you imagine their voices to sound? And then just like
Like boys?
no, I'm talking about like this, like whatever her
Teresa.
name is.
Do you like,
Teresa?
this?
Imagine how her voice sounds, okay?
I don't know what voice
I
sounds.
gotta open.
Like
fucking
just
curtains.
like whenever you read like
Why do you have
Scorch
to open
Trials.
curtains?
Come on, here we go.
The ornamental shelf should open. Do you have a light? It's pitch dark inside, and you can't see without one. If you're ready, let's go.
Help me.
Oh my god.
Other way.
Okay, bye.
You suck. You suck at this game. You suck at this game. You really suck at this game.
No. Sorry. You're wrong. Okay.
Just okay. When you voice act for Zelda, just imagine that
You have enthusiasm in your voice, and you're like, oh,
No,
I have
no.
to talk.
Just imagine like it's like instead of like imagine how you. Because whenever you read a book, you have to imagine what the voices sound like in your head. Like when you're reading what they're saying and stuff. So just imagine like you're reading Teresa's dialogue, and instead of just reading it in your head,
Everything.
just read it out loud. You know, just imagine that, okay? So that because you have to imagine it like in your head with enthusiasm
I'm
Right?
sorry, I wasn't listening.
Yes, you
I
are.
don't think anyone was listening. They were just watching me fail.
Yeah.
That's how I voice
Kill
act.
ropes.
That's not a rope. It's actually is a rope.
Sorry, it's a rope.
It's called a rope.
Excuse me.
Go.
I don't know who okay.
Go.
After passing through these sewers, we will be very close to the sanctuary. Let's be careful.
Okay, just imagine this. Link doesn't talk at all. So every time you see, like, random text on the screen and Zelda is following him, it's probably Zelda talking. Because Link can't talk.
That's why I'm the voice actor.
Yes. Sure. No one knows. You can go like, huh?
It's probably because he has
Yeah, what?
He only has
Pink
pink hair in this
So he
game.
can't talk.
That makes total sense.
Actually, his hair color changes with the suit that he wears.
Yeah, it's...
It'll be yellow.
So it's a wig. It's okay.
No, it's just the color palette. He only have like 3 million colors to
I
work
see
with.
the keys, but I don't see the keys.
Uh,
Fuck.
It's gonna be dark. It's gonna be dark.
Fuck.
Magically has a flashlight.
Oh. That doesn't
What's
make...
that? Is that a rat?
Okay, this doesn't make any sense. Okay, you see it's like kind of dark right here?
No.
And then, well, it's like kind of dark, but you can still see. But when you go in... Well, like, it's brightest when you... Any lamps, and then you like 2 lamps. It's like, oh yeah, now you can
Yep, sure, whatever. No, you gotta push.
see. You have to push that one.
Yeah, well, you tried pushing
Yeah.
the other one and that didn't make any sense.
Push that one. Push this one. Okay. Okay, we're about to stop. Great.
You missed an item. Just kidding.
Sanctuary is just beyond that door. Pull the switch over there.
That one.
This one?
You have to pull the lever to
No,
open the
this
door.
is just the narrator.
Oh,
This is the wrong one, by the way.
No, that was Zelda.
Oh, damn
That
it.
was Zelda.
I thought this was the wrong. This is the wrong one. All these ropes come down.
You can't pull it anymore. Just kidding. Yeah.
There we go. Okay, Sir Ross, talk.
No, this is not. Princess Zelda, are you safe? Is this your doing? Sneak!
Yes, it was Sneef who helped me
No,
escape from
yes,
the
it was
dungeon.
Sneef!
When I was captive, the wizard said, once I have finished with you, the final...
Once I have finished with you. Sneak!
You must not let the land of your Hyrule fall. Whatever.
Fall?
Land of the Hyrule fall.
Into the hands of the wizard's horses.
If he releases the seal of the Seven Wise Men, evil power will overwhelm this land. Before that happens, before it's too late, destroy the wizard before he destroys all of your Hyrule. You can...
It's so bad.
Fuck all the dialogue.
It's a bad idea.
Okay, start again. Start
Can I
again.
go leave?
Yeah, you need to leave.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe we can tell more.
Maybe we
with
can tell you more.
No, this is Zelda's voice. Maybe we can tell you more, but
No, I am a better voice
I'm
actor.
certain that
But watch-
you'd be. Okay, start. Yeah, I will.
For you now, I will hide the Princess Zelda here. Do not worry. Seek the Elder. Do you understand?
Not at all.
Oh, do not do that all over.
Shit.
What? Why are you going back?
Oh,
What?
get up. I didn't mean to do that.
Why'd you go back?
I didn't mean to. Oh, is there gonna be more dialogue? Okay, guys.
Open
Hey, guess
the
what?
chest.
Yeah!
Go.
Let me.
That guy has glasses for some reason.
He's Saran.
That was before glasses were.
Okay.
Actually, no.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this is a fun thing to do. So every every soldier we see, like you have to voice them as me just randomly attacking them.
Oh, hey, look at you too. Oh God, he's just touching my tips. Ah, I got him. Is that good? What? You catch me grave digging? I was just grave digging. I wasn't doing anything bad. I have an endless supply of pitchforks, so you can't beat me. Ah.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh, ow.
Go get water. I'm supposed to go wait, can I just go straight to Sarasro house?
Like,
Pretty sure I can. It was... What about this guy? What about this guy? Can he talk?
I like turtles. I can't get that high. It's this guy. He's getting him. Yeah, let's get him. Let's get him. Yeah, okay. His stupid shield. We can't shoot around it. We can't aim it at anything else. I kind of turned into Arnold for a little bit. Get to the chopper.
I can't do it.
That would be Ganon's voice. It's just Arnold.
It's gonna take a while. Oh, wait.
No, I'm really good at Arnold.
It's been really weird without the audio.
God, we've been so loud. I'm pretty sure my mom's like spamming me like so.
Being that I said like
Sniff.
really fucking loud. What about that guy? Okay, he's minding his own business. And
Okay. So the I'm green for some reason, and these other guys are blue.
Okay, yeah, the voice is Sir Osterlaw, I call it. He's awesome.
No, I'm Sir Hostralaw. I'm Sir Hostralaw.
Then I get to back talk to him the whole time.
Yep.
Okay. I don't know if I can actually go here first. I don't remember. Yep, I can.
I am indeed Sir Hostralaw, the village elder, and the descendant of the 7 wise men.
Really? Are you... I didn't even talk to you. I just walked up to you. Okay. Let's just say you just walked by someone and they're like, yes, I am indeed Sir Osterlaw.
No. Someone just walks up to you and they're like, hey, you gotta jump over this beard otherwise you'll kill you.
Just wanted to
Here's
know.
what you know.
That's how Sir Osterlaw's voice is to be. His voice.
Oh, really? Sniff! I am surprised a young man like you is searching for the sword of evil's bane. Not just anyone can use that weapon. Legends say only the hero who has won the 3 pendants can wield the sword. Do you want to find it?
Not really.
Of course. Good! As a test, can you retrieve the pendant of courage from the East Palace? If you bring it here, I will tell you more of the legend and give you a magical artifact. Now go forward to the palace.
Fuck no.
Well, screw you
All
then.
these pots
I'll just go do it myself.
Yeah, you're totally gonna do that.
Yep. As soon as I remember how to walk.
He just did the same thing, yay. As soon as I learn how to fuck guitar. Good, it does test. He doesn't say anything different if I...
Yeah, but of course is more,
Two
20 minutes, dude. That was, it's the first one, that's right. We will see you in the Matrix.